All Pro Timber Crown Roofing offers roof repair in Longport, New Jersey, helping homeowners and local businesses fix leaks, missing shingles, damaged flashing, and roofing issues caused by age or severe weather. Our roofers inspect the damage and explain the repair process clearly. We handle everything from minor trouble spots to storm-related damage, using quality materials and proven repair methods to restore dependable protection for your Longport home or business. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a roof repair contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Timber Crown Roofing. How do I know if my roof needs repair? Missing shingles, roof leaks, damaged flashing, ceiling stains, sagging areas, or storm damage are common warning signs. All Pro Timber Crown Roofing can inspect your roof for potential problems. What should I look for when hiring a roof repair contractor? Choose a licensed, insured contractor with roofing experience, clear estimates, reliable communication, and warranties. All Pro Timber Crown Roofing provides professional inspections, straightforward recommendations, and dependable roof repair service. What is the service area for your Longport, New Jersey location? Our roof repair contractor has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Longport, Margate City, Summers Point, Linwood, Northfield, Ocean City, Ventnor City, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Beasley's Point, Marmora, Palermo, Egg Harbor Township, Zion Park, Absecon, Brigantine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, and Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Where is your Longport, New Jersey roof repair contractor office located? We are located at 202 North Colgate Avenue, Longport, New Jersey 08403. Our phone number is 640-500-2297. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Longport-NJ.